All right, boys.
Uh-oh.
Let's safe drive back.
Good luck with it.
Thank you. Don't get lost. Not again.
See y'all. Take it easy.
See you next weekend.
Fall asleep next time.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So right now Weston and I are headed over to this lot that we actually plan to invest in. So I'm going to be the investor. Caleb and Weston are going to be the actual people that are going to be partnering up to establish this dealership. So this is a huge moment, as I met both Weston and Caleb through TechWood Solutions, and now they went from, you know, following their hobby of buying and reselling cars to now pursuing this full-blown business of establishing their first official dealership, which should be pretty interesting. So I hope that you guys are excited. Hey, what's going on, guys? We're here at the lot, and this is gonna be the new dealership for Weston and Caleb. According to their breakdown, they can fit about 30 different cars on this lot itself. They got an amazing deal due to the partnership that we set up with this dealership. Altogether, it's on the main road, which is Power Road. Super, super busy. So not only is it a great location, it is an outdoor lot, but we're able to get it for such a good deal that it made sense for them to establish their first dealership here. And huge congrats to Weston and Caleb for being one of the youngest dealership owners here in the Arizona area.
I'm excited. Holy crap. This is the lot. This is our first car. Yeah, right.
All right.
Dude, this is super nice.
Wow.
Whoa. Dude, this is super nice in here. It's spacious and perfect. Dude.
Break room area.
There's dips everywhere. Bathroom. Wow. Oh, you can open this up, huh? Oh, I wish that wasn't there. You put a car in there. Yeah. Well, one or two four-wheelers on Craigslist. Offer-up? I don't know. Side by side?
When it comes down to opening this dealership, obviously one of our biggest focuses is being the exact opposite of what every dealership
The
is
exact
known for.
opposite.
So maybe asking
Selling
people
cars
that
is the
are
only similarity.
Yeah, it'd be like if you were to buy a car, or the whole car buying experience, for people to comment down below what's one of the things that you would like to see differently, and what's one of the things that you would maybe you know, like to see implemented in a car dealership.
Yeah, dude, this is so good.
We got Justin here. Justin's the owner of Elite Tire.
How's it going?
Our new neighbor.
Yes,
and
sir.
Partner.
Excited to partner up
Partner,
with these guys.
let's go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Take care of them with the wheels, tires, anything you guys need, man.
I like
Get with
it.
these guys.
I think we talked about maybe doing a grand opening once we have it all set up.
Yeah, 100%. Big grand opening.
Yes, sir.
With tons of these.
Of the
Those
little-
guys. All right, guys, so we are back at the house. That was the first step of establishing our car dealership. I just messed up on establishing. I don't know how that messed up, but anyways, that's the first step. We're gonna now apply for the dealer's license, and it's all gold from here.
All right, team, I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. So before we go ahead and end, I wanted to do an overall recap on the day. I made a little bit over $500, so let's go ahead and jump on into my screen and break down how I made a little bit over $500 today day trading the stock market. All right, so here we have it. This is the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform, just so you guys could see. Total profit on the day is $528.14. Moving on over here, these are my total filled orders. I didn't actually take my first trade until 9:23 and 9:23 a.m. I was gonna say the 15 seconds. And I took my last trade at 10:35. So pretty much within 1 hour, I made $528. And this is a perfect example of only taking a position when you see the opportunity present itself. It's not that at market open, you have to take a position. There's never an exact time that it's always the best time to take a position. It is solely dependent on when that opportunity actually presents itself and how you actually see value. So doing a quick breakdown overall, /CL during the Learn Plan Profit live trading session began to show signs of an uptrend. One of the things that I reminded, and feel free to ask any Learn Plan Profit member, is one of the very common patterns I've seen for the past 2 weeks is that we begin to see signs of an uptrend pattern or an overall downtrend pattern. And as soon as the market opens at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, there tends to be a change of direction. This has happened before. The past 2 weeks is a perfect example. It doesn't have to happen. And that's exactly what I said within that live trading session. And from overall showing signs of an uptrend, it began to sell off, not only breaking previous lows, but actually aggressively selling off all day. And this allowed me to make a little bit of money on DWT. I didn't take part on DWT too much. As you guys can see, I only made $222, and none of my positions today exceeded more than $40,000. Therefore, the $500 profit is actually more than just 1% on the overall day based off of my overall position size. Also on /NG, one of the things that I began to see is this very consistent descending pattern. Again, a perfect example. Pre-market session showing signs of higher highs. It peaks out right around 7 o'clock and then begins to make these lower lows and these lower highs, making it easy to understand the low points, the high points, the low points, the high points. When natural gas is overextended and begins to sell off, that's in favor of DGAS. And again, DGAS, I made $305. I'm not saying that my day was perfect when it came down to trading, but for the time that I actually spent trading and the money that I made and the percentage growth, I feel like, again, I hit my daily goal that I've lowered to $500 a day. This is my 6th green day in a row. And again, I felt comfortable and confident with every position that I take. And that's what it's all about. Not always trying to make the most money every single day, but challenging yourself to stay patient and only take advantage of opportunities that are actually 100% worth it. And I think we did a beautiful job with that with the time that I was given. The rest of the day, as you guys can see, was spent closing that deal on that lease that we just set up. I want to give a huge shout out again to Weston and Caleb for establishing that dealership. And again, I'm just going to be an investor for that. So I'm putting up $200,000 to start that overall dealership. And again, I met both of them through the TechBut Solutions group. So TechBut Solutions is now the largest Facebook group, and we're also the largest YouTube channel for those who day trade in the stock market. But as you guys can see, we like to invest in multiple different markets, and we're about to hit 230,000 members. So if you guys would like to join our team, that's going to be that first link down below. Also, don't forget about our free live trading session this Thursday. If you guys don't want to miss it, I'm going to put that on that second link in the description. Make sure you drop a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and also make sure that you save your spot. Again, the second link below to save your spot for the Learn Plan Profit free live trading session at the end of the month. Really do appreciate you guys' time. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.